Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a speed clean for you. This is literally just me keeping on top of my house, making sure that everything stays clean, and I thought it would be a good idea to bring you guys along with me. So without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by doing the dishes. I find it so much easier if I start off with the dishes because then all the rest of the kitchen seems so much easier to clean, and there's just not loads of dishes here, there and everywhere. They're all done and out of the way, so everything else runs smoothly and I can clean so much easier without them there. Now that all the dishes are done, I'm going to give the countertops a quick wipe over. So I'm firstly going to wipe all the crumbs off the counters because there's always crumbs on my counters no matter what, and I'm sure that's the same for everybody anyway. But I'm going to wipe them off first, and then I'm just going to take my diluted Zaflora mix in my spray bottle and wipe over all the counters. Moving my slow cooker and just wiping underneath that. I had pasta carbonara last night, and oh my gosh, I made it from scratch and it was absolutely amazing. But there was a little bit of spillage on the counter there, so that's why I'm just wiping it off. So yeah, I'm just going to give the counters all a wipe over, just wipe over the microwave really quick. Last thing to do in here is just put my mats down. I've literally just washed my mats and they finished as I finished cleaning the kitchen. So I'm just going to put those down. I've got 3 mats to put down altogether, but you can only see me put down 2. The other one is a small door mat, which goes by the door into the living room. But these are all fresh and all done, and they smell amazing as well. So now I'm going to move on to my living room. My living room is never really that bad, but it is always plastered with toys because Carter pulls all of his toys out all the time, which is what he's going to do, and I absolutely love watching him play with his toys and everything like that. He's actually just learned how to colour as well. Yesterday he did his first 2 colouring pictures. Obviously he only scribbles because he's only young. He's almost 2 now in June. But yeah, he drawed his first 2 pictures and I'm so proud of him. So what I'm just doing here is just clearing all the toys off the floor, putting them into the storage boxes in the new storage unit that I bought. And yeah, just tidying everything up so it looks a little bit better. It's not about Now that the floor's clear, I'm going to move on to my fireplace. For some reason, everything just builds up on my fireplace and it gets so cluttered. So I'm just going to clear everything off there, and then it all looks nice and clear and how I like it. I hate it when so many things pile up on there. It's like it's just a place to put everything. But yeah, that's the living room done, all nice and clean and fresh. So I wanted to show you guys how I disinfect my washing machine. So I've just washed my mats, which are always on the floor, and I do have dogs. So what I do is I take 2 cupfuls of the Flora, and I also take the boosting beads, so they're like the Unstoppables, and then I will put my washing machine on a half-an-hour wash and I will leave it to do its thing. This will literally just disinfect it and clean it really well, and it's my favourite thing to do after I've washed my mats. But moving on to the bedroom, now that all that's done downstairs, I'm just going to make the bed. I make the bed every single morning. I was a little bit later doing it today, but making the bed makes everything look so much cleaner and feel so much cleaner. And it also stops anybody from jumping on my bed or anything else because it's all done and all made. And once my bed is made, nobody is allowed to go on it. Nobody is allowed to sit in it until we go into bed. But yeah, it's one of my favorite things to do is make the bed because it always looks so nice and it makes the room look nice as well. So after that is done, I'm going to move on to my desk. My desk is another place where literally everybody dumps everything. I'm also to blame, I do it as well, but I'm just clearing it, giving it a wipe over with my diluted Zaflora mix, and then it is all clean and nice. I'm also going to give my chest of drawers a quick wipe over as well, so I'm just taking everything off, giving it a quick spray and then wiping it and putting everything back on. So another one of my favourite things to do is spray my curtains with diluted Zafora and also my bed sheets. It just makes the room smell absolutely amazing. But yeah, that's the bedroom done then, all nice and clean and fresh. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!